Hello friends, today I want to tell you about 2023 GLS900 BRABUS Rocket. Follow us and subscribe, we have started. Presented a version of the revision of the Maybach GLS 600 crossover, the Brabus Rocket 900 Maybac model. The car received a carbon fiber aerodynamic body kit, new 24-inch Brabus Monoblock M Platinum Edition wheels, pedals and sills with tuning studio logos, a Brabus nameplate on the steering wheel, and extended leather trim appeared in the cabin. Chip tuning and engine tuning. The power of the 4-liter turbocharged V8 is increased from the base 558 horsepower up to 900 horsepower by increasing the working volume of the engine to 4.4 liters, installing new turbines, a proprietary engine control unit and a sports exhaust system. The car retained a 9-speed automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive and adaptive air suspension, with a ground clearance reduced by 25 mm. The modified crossover accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in 4.2 seconds and has an electronically limited top speed of 320 km per hour. Prices for the GLS-based Brabus Rocket 900 Maybach are available on request on the official Brabus website. Earlier, Mercedes-Benz introduced the charged Mercedes-AMG C43 4MATIC 2023 in sedan and station wagon bodies. Subscribe to watch interesting videos.